There is much of discussion around the globe with respect to coronavirus and BCG vaccination. Recently, the US scientists at the New York Institute of Technology have linked BCG vaccination with fewer coronavirus cases. However, same is yet to be confirmed, only after clinical trials. So what exactly is this BCG vaccine, and what is the relation of this vaccine with COVID-19? We will find out today on my channel. Be amazed. COVID-19 has affected almost all the countries in the world. Puzzlingly, the impact of the disease is different in different countries. These differences are attributed to differences in cultural norms, mitigation efforts and health infrastructure. One such aspect, that is, link between national policies of the country to use BCG childhood vaccination, was studied by US scientists, which gives new hope to the people all around the globe in fight against COVID-19. The BCG vaccine has an unusual history. It was inspired in the 1800s by observation that milkmaids did not develop tuberculosis. The Bacillus calmette-guerin or BCG vaccine was first used on humans in 1921 and widely adopted after World War II. The BCG is a live weakened form of Mycobacterium bovis, the causative agent of tuberculosis in the cattle, which is related to Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the bacteria which causes tuberculosis in human being. This vaccine primarily used for its protective effects against meningitis and disseminated TB in children. The vaccine seems to train the immune system to recognize and respond to a variety of infections, including viruses, bacteria and parasites. The most affected countries such as USA, Italy, Spain, Germany and France, which account for about 60% of corona-positive cases of globe, and about 70% of deaths due to COVID-19 around the world, does not have national policy on BCG vaccination. Rich countries eradicated TB long before others, and haven't had to inoculate their population with BCG. The less affected countries like India, Pakistan has a universal policy on BCG vaccination policy for a long time. The clinical trials have already started in different countries. Scientists in Melbourne, Australia, started administering the BCG vaccine or a placebo to thousands of physicians, nurses, respiratory therapists and other healthcare workers, the first of several randomized controlled trials intended to test the vaccine's effectiveness against the coronavirus. A clinical trial of 1,000 health workers also began in the Netherlands. World Health Organization, on 12th of April 2020 has stated there is no evidence that BCG vaccine protects people against infection with COVID-19 virus. 2 clinical trials addressing this question are underway, and WHO will evaluate the evidence when it is available. In absence of evidence, the organization does not recommend BCG vaccination for prevention of COVID-19. The BCG vaccine may be new hope for humanity, but it's not confirmed. As such, the social distancing and lockdown still remains most effective weapon against the pandemic COVID-19, so please stay home and stay